How do I properly cite a source with multiple authors using et al?
Hello, citation champs. Today, we are diving into an essential aspect of academic writing, citing a source with multiple authors. Specifically, we'll discuss when and how to use the term et al. Properly. Buckle up, because once you know how to do this, your citation game will rise to the next level.
What is et al?
Et al. Is a Latin term that means and others. In the context of academic citations, we use et al. When a source has multiple authors. It helps to keep citations concise and clean, especially when there are many authors involved.
When to use et al?
So, when exactly should you use et al? For both APA and MLA styles, use et al. When a work has 4 or more authors. If the source has 3 authors, list all authors' names the first time you cite it, and use et al. For subsequent citations. For example, a citation with 4 authors would look like this. First citation, Smith, Johnson, Clark, and Anderson, 2020. Subsequent citations, Smith et al., 2020. Remember, et al. Is a handy shortcut when citing a work with many authors.
How to properly format et al?
There are a couple of things to keep in mind when formatting et al. 1. Always place a period after al, since it's an abbreviation for a Latin phrase. However, don't place a period after et, because it's a whole word. 2. There should be no comma before et al. In APA style, while in MLA style, a comma is needed. For example, here's how it would look in both styles. APA style, Smith et al., 2020. MLA style, Smith et al., 2020. Remember, the way to format et al. Can differ based on the citation style guide you're following. And that's how you utilize et al. In your citations. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with a little practice, you'll be incorporating this handy tool in no time. We hope this video helps make your citation process smoother and more efficient. Happy citing, folks!